Hey, what's up guys? So today we have two toys from Edding's Toys from Market, and I'm not gonna say where it comes from. Just bought it a while ago at 7:26 p.m. So enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, wait for it. The intro. Okay, so I'm gonna set aside this because this one's for my cousin named Darcy, because it's her birthday today, but I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow. Okay, and let's just check this out. Check this out. This one, let's check it out. I'm really excited for this, and I hope it turns really good. It turns very well, like my other cubes, like this one M3RS that I got for my birthday. And what a coincidence that happened with that last year. Just gonna give you an example. So I haven't cubed for a while because I needed a break. Wait, let's do first turns. Oh no. What the hell? It feels like your average cube from the past days. And as you can see, the corners are very cheap and very fragile if you made a mistake by turning it. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna solve this because it looks very hard when it's scrambled. I think I'm just gonna do an H-perm. I think it connects well. Just gonna do some. I'm not really into pattern recognition. I'm just gonna get I'm just into color pattern recognition, like this. And I like this one with the rainbow pony. And the stickers aren't really specified as stickers because it's printed on them at every side of the cube. And the other side has some castle, one a violet, and this one is colored violet, and this one is orange. This one's design has a mountain. This one on the other side has a 3 ponies, and this is the main logo. Okay, and this one has some pink pony. It's kind of weird why I bought this. It's not even my gender, and I'm a boy, and I don't care. Just gonna solve it for the rest of the video, and not to this video. I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace.